This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable dessert cups, specifically these great flower pot style cups. And there's a few different options in terms of sizes and colors. The 4-ounce mini pot comes in terracotta, and you can just see it's a nice little plastic cup that's formed to look like a cute little terracotta pot. The 6-ounce size comes in terracotta as well, but also comes in white and black. And you can see these are a little bit more. There's some extra little details in with these. It comes with a cute little base that it locks into, and also a lid. So it has more of that look of a terracotta pot on top of its little base that you use for when you're watering, in case you water your plants too much like I do. So it's a nice kind of true to life look there, but then it also has a great little lid for the top that can turn these into great little to-go favor cups for desserts for parties. And a lot of people use these for the kind of pot of dirt style desserts. So think a little chocolate pudding with maybe chocolate cake crumbs or brownie crumbs on top, something like a gummy worm, or another kind of either vegetable or floral kind of candy, something fruit on top. So it makes a cute little garden presentation. And whether you're gonna top them with little veggies, gummy worms, flowers, maybe pipe a succulent or a rose or something on there, this is a great way to make kind of a fruit and veg themed setup for a party if you're gonna do maybe a garden patch, or things like flowers if you want to do kind of a garden party, or even succulents if you're looking for that Southwest theme. These are a nice little unique touch and a great way to deliver that. They can also be used for things like apps. So thinking if you want to do a little veggie crudité and you want to put a little dip down in there and stick some vegetables in there, you can make some really cute and unique little setups and different presentations to help add those special touches to your events. So think also would work well for little savories, snacks, things like tapas, great way to serve little apps, and the little lids make them nice and convenient, especially if you're looking for a to-go option. So these are fantastic whether you're planning a party for your home and you're looking for some cute little setups, maybe a little garden themed baby shower or something of that nature, or if you're a caterer and you're just looking for unique presentations, these are a nice little option. The plastic themselves is 100% recyclable, which makes disposal and cleanup easy as well. So it's a nice option for those looking to do some sweet desserts or apps with a nice little garden themed. These terracotta pots are a fantastic way to go.